Let's go through Yope app. This is a trending app where you can discuss anything to make new friends. Here you can see how it looks like. You can have a feed with engaging topics. Yope is a safe place where you can be yourself. You talk, they get who you are. They talk, you make new friends, and you all have fun. No speaking on air lives, only snippets. You can chat about any topic with new people and even bring your friends to join. All you need is just a link with something engaging enough to talk about. So this is the app. You can just open it up. So to create an account, you just need to enter your phone number and reserve username. Currently, you can reserve some pretty cool usernames. I just entered my first name and it's available, so that's pretty cool. So then you have some different threads. So people are just replying to that. So they have this photo, for example, and they're just talking about it.
Poppers.
So that's pretty fun. Do the pictures look too fuzzy? They are composed of as many pixels as the numbers of this are alive in the, and then yeah, you can just open that. So basically that's the whole idea of the app, that you are just discussing all these threads. Either some TV show, some meme, some photo and stuff like that. So interesting concept for the app. That's how it looks like. You can also create your own. So from here is your profile, and then you can delete your account. You can contact for support. You can join Discord as well. So this is kind of the app that just the first. Also, they have like a live feature. I don't know what that is. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Hope this is helpful.